Hello, Super Tech Boys. We're going to talk about the Nextbase Dashcam GW522. First of all, we're going to start with the app, and this is what the app looks like here. And first of all, you're going to have a profile like so. Social media handles down the bottom, Alexa, instant wear, app settings, contact all settings, check for updates, and SD card analysis. So if we go into your Dashcam, this is what's going to pop up here, and into your settings. You can do these settings from the actual unit itself, which I went through earlier. And one thing I've noticed is G-Sensor's probably being best left off till the evening because it's set off too many triggers on this, even with the sensitivity low, and it going over bumps or anything like that. Certain voice commands might pull it off as well. I just feel that it's best left to when you're parked and so on. So you have your video resolution here at 1440p, 30 fps, your exposure, audio. I've left that off as well because that, again, picking up voice commands if you're talking or if you're listening to the radio, sometimes it sets it off. It gets quite annoying. So again, it's up to yourself. And then the rest of the files are there, which I've done through the app or through the setup of this already. So you have your SD card analysis there. You can format the card here. I've gone through it a few times. And you need a good SD card for this in order for both cameras to work front and rear, because I'm having difficulties with different cards trying to pick up both front and rear. And you know, I plug in the second, the rear camera, it'll say, it will stop recording and say you need a different class card. So that's pretty much that in there. Alexa here is, you can talk to your Dashcam through the Alexa app, pretty straightforward. And then if you want to go into live view, you can tap to enable. Now this is the problem I have with the app here in general. You can't do this out on the road with a hotspot connection, so it's kind of pointless with the app not being able to get a connection to the camera with your Bluetooth or hotspot, and I wasn't able to download files, which I'll try and explain here in a minute. If you go in here, you can use the Dashcam to download your videos. So I've gone into that there. I have files on it now, I can't get them. So I'm going to go back here and now they'll pop up. So I've been out doing a test run there, as you can see down here in the bottom, and the files will come up, which will be uploaded so you can see what they look like. But sometimes this is a bit slow. But if I disconnect my Wi-Fi, which I'm going to do now because I'm through the Wi-Fi connection at home, I'm going to see if that actually still works, because I couldn't get it to work. It is sometimes a bit strange, but we'll try it now. Wi-Fi connection has been, so if I even put on the hotspot and try again, which I've tried to set up, we'll go back out of this again into the app. So I am connected. It's going to see now if we can get through. So I can't connect to the device, which is a bit annoying. Pointless having this here if I can't connect on the go when I might want to download a file, whatever the case may be. But it's not an uncommon issue with cams. So after this, we're going to go on to the footage, some daytime and nighttime footage and so on, and then you can have a look at yourself and see what you think. But overall, the quality on the camera is excellent, and it's really, really good and crystal clear, even from looking at it from this side of the camera. And there's not much to control it really. If you want to save the clip automatically, you just press this button down here, and you're good to go. So Wi-Fi is disabled. I'm going to enable it again and see if we can connect. It just seems to be continuous problems with connectivity, and a lot of reports on the Play Store are going the same. It's going to 50-50, but that can be said for any app in general. But that's basically a look at the app anyway to start with, and that's basically it. And you can talk with Alexa as well. Again, Alexa can be funny too, particularly here in Ireland. They have a lot of products here at the minute. Some Alexa apps won't work at all because they're not registered or not released in Ireland, but the UK and so on. But that's just these voice assistants in general. And anyway, and that's really it for now on the app. So on to the clips now, and we can see what you think, and then you can let us know afterwards in the comment section, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Thanks for watching.